Guys, as you can see, guys, client account now we're growing 100 rand on a client account. So this guy begged me, said, "My brother, please, help me. I want to make something. I want to make money." Then I said, "Let me check what gold is doing. Then I will let you know what we can have on gold." So far, we're killing the market like this, guys. So our investments work like this, guys. You fund money in your trading account. The same amount that you funded, you pay us that amount. If you start with 100 rand, you pay us 100 rand. If you start with 200, you pay 200. So this is what we're doing. The market is moving very beautiful. So yeah. So just look at this, guys. I was supposed to close somewhere here with this spike, but it didn't reach our lower low. So I have to close now, guys. The market might push up. So I'm late. So from 100 rand, as you can see. So don't say I didn't tell you. I'm late, guys. I'm late. So 16K. So this guy will give me around 5K, and he will take 10K. So we will do another attempt with 200. Then we will see what happens going there. So guys, if you want to join our investment, make sure that you inbox me on the number that you see on the screen. Make sure that at least you fund your account with 150, 200 or more. You will see the package there. You will select which package you want to follow. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure that you follow us on Facebook so that you don't miss our videos. So this amazing uh, platform is for people like you who want to grow in the market and make money. So we only trade gold. We're only focusing on gold with our strategy. Our strategy is doing good on gold. So if you are highly interested to be part of the team, make sure that you inbox. On the other video, I will be showing you the indicators for mobile that we have. So I'm also selling indicators for mobile, for PC. I'm sorry, for PC. So I will show you. It's only 100 rand indicator. I teach you on how to use it and what time to use it and how to take your profit. So that's what is important. We also have robots, but our robots are scalping robots. They need very high internet. So you just have to make sure that your internet is very connected. So watch the next video for you to be able to see that. So guys, I'm having flu, guys. So God bless. Good day, guys. I'm back again with another amazing PC indicator. So this indicator is one of the best, guys. You can use this indicator to make money by trading Euro USD, gold, and other currency pairs. As you can see, it gives you amazing entries. So the indicator is only 100 rand, guys. So with that 100 rand, I teach you on how to use the indicator. I give you the best time to use the indicator. So those are one of the things that are very important when coming to trading with indicators. So I give you those tools and those tips. No matter what, you'll make profit using this amazing indicator. So as you can see, it's one of the best, guys, that you can have to make money in the market. They guide you, they give you entries. You just have to follow the correct time, then you get consistent. And you can use risk management for you to be able to grow more. So here we have a scalping robot. So this robot is one of the best, guys. We call it the smart AI. So it trades for you, make money for you, open and close trades for you. You had to do nothing. You just plug it. You make sure your internet connection is on best level so that it keeps on running smoothly. So as you can see, this is the test on how it worked in previous months. So as you can see, this is the test. You can see that it's a very consistent one. It's one of the best EA that you can use and grow more in the market. So yeah, these are the settings of the EA. These are the settings for the EA. These are the settings for the EA. So yeah, you won't regret having this amazing EA trading for you, growing your account. So as you can see, it doesn't leave any chance. It makes sure every opportunity it's money making time. So the indicator is also there for you. Then on the indicator we teach you. So the robot is 200. You get the robot with only 200. You get the robot. Danko. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you.